What's up, guys? I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. I ended up just taking the day off and enjoying my day. I mean, sometimes you just gotta put the camera down, but I have a really big surprise I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna pan back to footage from yesterday. Well, guys, today is a big day. I get to start my day off by driving 2 hours to New York City. Well, it's kind of like New York City, but going to JFK Airport because I'm actually going to pick up one of my really good friends I haven't seen in a really long time, and his girlfriend, and that happens to be Josh James from Boker123. His YouTube channel, a lot of you guys I know probably subscribe to him. If you're not, go check it out. I've known Josh for almost like 3 or 4 years, probably like 4 years now. I actually met him with Adam LSD in Florida. He came to visit Adam. Me and Josh clicked instantly, and we've been really good friends ever since. Finally decided to come back down to America and hang out with me again. So I got Steph's car, fixed it last night, so we're gonna go drive up there, pick up Josh and Molly, and go from there. So let's start our journey to New York.
Continue straight to stay on I-684 South.
I just pulled over to a commuter lot like a minute before the airport and took a nice 20-minute nap because I'm exhausted. But Josh just called me and he's officially here, so we're gonna go pick him up. I might completely miss the whole picking up phase because the parking lot's crazy. So found someone. Hello. What's up, Josh? What's up, Molly?
Hi.
I don't even know what to say. Let's get into vloggy stuff later.
Yeah. I need to take Molly to a petrol station, gas station,
Duncan.
and a Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay.
So that's first priorities.
Let's get to it. All right, we're back to the future with Josh James.
Gang.
So Josh James of Boker123 YouTube channel.
Hello.
From England.
Greetings.
From Cheltenham.
Cheltenham.
Is that not how you pronounce it?
That's close. You're closer than most Americans.
There you go.
Cheltenham.
And then we got Molly.
Oh, hi.
Josh keeps getting root beers.
Oh, that's so good.
My main goal is to basically show them around things they haven't really, been open to in England, and basically get them a little fatter too because we're in America. But yeah.
Jimmy's wearing blue jeans.
Right? This is weird. Have you guys ever seen me wear blue jeans before? Never. Go find a video where I'm not wearing black pants. You can't. We're gonna start the day off. We're actually gonna head up to Tommy FEI shop. One, so Josh can pick on Tommy, and two, because I actually have to pick something up from him. So we're gonna head out there now, and
What else? What else are we doing today?
I don't know, you gotta tell me.
Don't know, on the spot, can't think of anything. Let's go. Jimmy won't let us take the Beamer.
The Beamer? She's a little rough.
Molly's too big apparently and she'll make it scrape.
What, guys, really quick, we're at Tommy's shop now. This video is actually being sponsored by Survey Junkie. Now, Survey Junkie, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Make sure you click it. It's actually a website where you can go, take surveys on your phone, on your free time, gain points by taking surveys, and eventually, when you gather enough points, you can cash out, get yourself some real life money you could spend on some car parts for your car, or whatever you gotta spend it on. Hopefully car parts, and that's really it to it. It's really easy. It takes just a few minutes to sign up, check it out, do some surveys, get some extra cash in your pocket, and go from there. But
I think that sounds good.
that sounds good to me, right?
Free money.
Free money.
Free money. It's always good.
So when you got some free time, get some free cash. But we're gonna head to Tommy's now, and right? Make sure you check out the link in the description. It'd do a lot for me, guys. Thank you. Below. But we're at Tommy's shop, so we're gonna get some coilovers, and Josh is gonna experience Tommy FEI and Rudnick.
Where is that? Where is it? Are we here?
Yeah, we're here.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's going on, dude?
What's up, buddy? What a pleasant surprise.
Dude, 3 hours of sleep, I feel like a fucking zombie.
You want some coffee?
Oh, I'm already drinking a huge Red Bull. Not bad.
That was pretty good. What's your plans for today? You gonna run it?
We're gonna run it. I just gotta go to AutoZone. We need spark plugs, wires, oil filter. Just the bullshit.
Sounds like you got a lot to do.
Yeah, a bunch of stuff. I have herpes, by the way, so it's good.
No, I do
Tastes
too.
good, right?
Yeah, Rudnick Herbie is my favorite. What do you think of the FD?
So nice.
You know what I think of it? My daily's faster.
You gonna jack it up by the radiator?
Yeah, hopefully.
All right. I'm here to steal some coilovers. So a lot of you guys might know, maybe probably don't know, I was on junk ass coils last year. I was actually on like a really old set of coilovers that I actually got from Adam LZ just to get me going. Never changed them, and this year I have to change them because they're gone. But here we go. Tommy doesn't like PBM. He's on like this Stance Coivo kick right now. I don't know what.
Like, all right, can I explain on your channel? Because there's a bunch of.
Well.
So for the reason I bought that is because like 240 suck and there's no good coilovers. You can get like KWs. There's no good coilovers. So you can get like KWs. I think was the best. Then after talking to the Stance guys, I decided to go Stance and pawn my junk off on Jimmy.
It's okay. Pawning means discount for me, so I'm
Discount.
really happy about that. So I will take.
allowed to wear that
You
shirt
could.
here.
I'm. Oh yeah. Here next to the RX-7, I'll get a nice picture with it. Come on.
GTR, doesn't he have one?
There we go. But shout out to Eliminate Boys. But so these are PBM coilovers powered by Max. I have them on my Z. Absolutely love them, and I'm getting a nice discount because Tommy doesn't want them anymore. So it works out for me. Beautiful.
Cool though.
They do look nice. I can put on my.
Here, thumbnail it.
Beautiful. What do you think, Molly?
Beautiful.
Tommy, thank you, my friend. Have a great day.
I should have done the grab.
Should have did it. Your FT sounds amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay. God, does that sound beautiful? So we've been walking around doing pretty American-y things, aka eating a lot of food.
The biggest pile of nachos you've ever seen.
But it's actually like really gorgeous in the town that the Tommy shop actually rents in. Jesus Christ. And I figured it'd be a good excuse to stop and do some scenic viewing.
And Molly's drunk.
And Molly's drunk. Look at her.
You doing, Mom?
You good? Oh my.
She gets like this after one drink anyway.
No, I like
Love it.
handstands, but that just failed.
Come on, you want to jump?
There's no way I'd do that actually.
Jump. That'd be exhilarating.
Jump, Molly.
Okay.
It's so nice over here.
Sick. Oh damn.
How did Molly get up there?
I don't know, and I don't know how to get down.
Oh, another upskirt going here.
Hey Josh, what are you doing to that stick, huh?
Javelin. Long live Britain.
Josh wants us to take D36, so we're gonna take D36. Molly's gonna sit in the back seat.
Crawl in the back seat.
Crawl in the back seat. But we got the transfer. The freshies.
And coffee.
Listen, you guys need laundry.
That should be good for now.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
So,
So delightful.
Molly, you fit back there so well.
Are these both the same size seats?
Yeah,
Do you fit in these?
like a champ.
Do you?
Well, the shoulders don't really count.
Yeah, you're definitely wider
But
than me.
moms count.
Thick. Oh shit. Hogs. Ooh. Take that.
We're at the shop. Josh at the shop.
Hey.
How do you like the cars?
The cars?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, have you not filmed yet?
No, not really.
Start again.
We were here yesterday. We actually had a really nice day yesterday.
Yeah, it was a good first day.
It was a good first day. We were hanging out. Josh and Molly got to meet everyone except DJ. DJ, where are you?
Wow, you DJ, come on, man.
Come on, man.
Letting the side down.
But it's coffee time, and we got the hookup from Purgatory Coffee Roasters. Dude, this is sick. So I guess they sell these online. I guess I'll try and find a link in the description. He actually reached out to B Hall because B Hall actually knows the owner, and he hooked us up with a coffee machine and coffee beans, and I couldn't be more excited because you guys know I'm obsessed with coffee. We got Guatemala, Honduras. He's actually opened a shop in like Middletown, Connecticut, and we're definitely gonna go visit them when they open. But for now, this will do. They sell the beans online, I think. Well, the coffee's bitching. Did you like the coffee, Molly?
Bitchin'.
So
Good.
it was great. Did you like the coffee, Nick?
Coffee's
It
beautiful.
was fantastic.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try the rest of them.
Yeah. Open your store. I want to go buy coffee.
We're here at the shop. I'm gonna throw my coilovers in probably tonight. I mean, why the heck not? And that's really exciting. I know, that's just another piece. JP has my head right now for my S13. We have some bad news on it. Unfortunately, I was hoping it'd be a quick thing, but of course it isn't. My exhaust valve seals and guides were completely destroyed. The seals already got new ones, doesn't matter, but the guides, so much play. They're disgusting. My valves are smoked too, unfortunately. So I need new exhaust valves, which means I have to reshim my head, which is kind of a process. It's not like the end of the world, but it's just more work. But JP's gonna order the parts up for me. We're gonna get it done, and we're gonna move on. And hopefully we make the drift event in 2 weeks. So Jake's here. We're gonna retime his Miata because it's not running correct, and then we're gonna go from there. And everyone's riding BMX, and it's fine. Josh, go put these in my car for me.
You want a light?
RJ, I need a jack. Can you give me a jack? Wrong jack, RJ. Wrong jack. There it is. It's in. That's all it is. You're doing great, honey.
You're supposed to go that way.
Yeah, hook it on the bottom first.
There you go, pal.
Thank you, Josh James.
Now, if you crash, you can blame me.
I wasn't watching. Josh put my front coilovers in. Right, Josh? You put my fronts in? You put my front coilovers in?
Yeah.
Yep, you did great. So the only issue with these is Tommy got S14 front knuckles, so the bottom perch is for an S14 knuckle, which only means the holes for the bolts are bigger. I could either drill out my knuckles and get new bolts, or I can like shim them, or I could just throw the bolts in there for now and tighten the piss out of them and just like accept the extra camber. But we'll see. I'm just gonna get the car together for now, get on the ground, and we can easily go from there. So easy enough. But I left my like knuckles all together with the brakes on, so they're pretty heavy. So we have to get these on. Yeah, but see like these two holes right here. That's what's bigger on S14. Oh fuck! Okay. There we go. See the play in the bolts, guys. Hella more camber. Ready? Ooh. Molly, are you done yet?
Oh, that's so cool. I'm not almost.
Okay. How do you think she did?
Is she finished yet?
Didn't take it too long. I'm sweaty. God. It's hard work.
Wow.
No.
Josh, she showed you up.
Wow, she does all my cars.
Oh, okay, I thought so. You're doing great.
Yeah, Bato.
It's nothing. Good job, Molly.
Thanks. Cheers.
So, I asked Josh James for this 3 years ago, and he brought it to me, and I'm so excited. If you guys know what this is, I mean, you guys can clearly see what the hell this is. This is
Sorry.
This is off Josh's Cupra R. It's really cool. So, like for you guys in the United States, this is plexiglass. Look how weird this is. And they double-side tape.
It's acrylic.
It's acrylic. Sorry, it's basically plexiglass, but they double-side tape this to their cars, which is really, really
some
weird.
people screw them, but then you've got two screws in it.
But it's really cool. I can put this on my BMW and like look dumb Euro.
It literally fits like
Not
perfect.
perfectly, but
Put it on your Z. Let me see what it looks like in the front. Poolie Kang.
kind of looks cool.
That looks so cool.
I mean, the yellow's the rear.
I know.
So that's the reverse of it, but it still looks cool. We'd probably get pulled over for that and like a 60 quid fine.
Right in the DJ.
The peg in the ass. She ain't done that.
Damn.
Just
That
a boy.
goes straight in your ass. You've got to land something because you haven't landed anything to do with extreme sports today on camera.
Pathetic.
For America
For the Queen.
and the Queen. Hey, that was sick.
Counts.
You caught pedal like fast.
A shout out to Tommy for giving me a bomb deal on the PBM. It worked out really well for me because I think they're great coils and I really like them. But they're really gorgeous coilovers and they perform really well. The most annoying thing about coilovers is just when they seize up. I know that happens to you over there.
Yep, we got some salty roads.
Some salty roads. So, though I won't drive into winter, even just like normal weather conditions seize your coilers, and for some reason PBM just has an amazing coating system that they just refuse to rust shut. I don't know. DJs are dumb old and his aren't seized at all. So, shout out to PBM. Gosh, I didn't really do much today, did I?
We did loads, just nothing.
I know we're usually stuck on pretty much car content. That's what we do. But if you guys want to see us do some like Welcome to America vloggy stuff, let us know. I don't know what else to say. Josh is gonna drive. Josh really wants to drive the Z.
Yep.
So we're gonna let him drive the Z.
Yep.
So
I want to do some burnouts.
we want to do some burnouts, but that's about it. And I think we're gonna probably go ride this week too. I really want to go ride. So if you guys are into the BMX content, of course, stay tuned. But I don't know what else to say. I guess that's about it. But I'm pumped to have my long lost pen pal right here, Josh James.
Nose twins.
Those twins. And of course, Molly. It's always a pleasure. Yeah, talk to the hand. I get it. But we'll get back to it. Of course, make sure if you don't know who Josh is somehow, check him out. I'll put the link in the description. Watch a few of his videos. I'm lagging you. But that's about it. I guess, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Josh James,
So I get to
you have to say have a great night.
have a great night.
And then palm it.
Everyone.